Hi everyone, we are Team Hack today. It includes designers, Dikshita and Varsity, and developers, Anand, Priyanshi and Satya. We present you Top 24/7, extending the healing hand. Our problem statement was health. As we all know, a tiny virus left, the whole world shook. It caused a lot of destruction and was enough to tremble everyone's health, be it mental or physical. It was very difficult for everyone to manage or control the situation. Keeping this in mind, we created Doc 24/7, which is an all in one platform which one can use sitting in their houses just by clicking on their phones to book an appointment or to order medicines. Now, I can log in here with my username. It provides you with a lot of features such as booking an appointment or a video meet with the doctor. Also, you can find the recommendations of doctors, hospitals, test centers that are present near you. This solves the major problem of ailment diagnosis and prediction. Also, you can order medicines and wellness products such as masks, sanitizers, etc. It also provides you with a feature of COVID tracker with which you can check the latest COVID stats and the cases near you. Also the death cases, and also you can change the country. Now, as we all know, emergencies are very common during the pandemic times. So, here one can order oxygen cylinders and book their size according to their needs. They can also book beds in hospitals as per their need. One can also order oxygen, COVID testing kits, and masks. They will be provided to them through drones so as to ensure a contactless delivery and also to prevent the massive spread. You can also take the drone that's you can also track the drone that's bringing your order. Since mental health is the most important aspect during these times, we also keep that in mind. And for this, we provide the we provide the best counselors from renowned hospitals. You can also book a session with them. Here are the best counselors over the city, and you can book a session with them. Also, we provide the option of dietitians to get a suitable diet chart prescribed, and we have also uploaded some fitness videos with the reference of which one can stay calm, focused, and fit. Since we get a relief from listening to others of how they tackle the situation, we have blogs where people have shared their experiences of how they fought that disease and situation, and we also have some frequently asked questions. Here they have shared their experience of how a person fought cancer. Now, we ensure the digital well-being by giving an option of finding any doctor from the world, from all over the world, and any hospital. They can easily book a virtual meet appointment anywhere and anytime. They can also chat with them. Now, in your dashboard, you can check all your previous history, previous test reports, and also previous appointments, and also the medicines that were prescribed to you at that time. You can also book an appointment again, and also you can buy those medicines again. You can book an appointment by this. So, this was all about our Doc 24/7. which ensures digital well-being, mental health, situations during pandemic, and also provides ailments, diagnosis, and treatment, all on a single platform. Thank you.